Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have Vechain update. Let's see what it will do, and of course guys have a price prediction in the technical analysis. Let's dive into the technical analysis quickly. So we are having the 0.1, 0.11, and I told you yesterday in my previous video that we might reach these support levels. Of course that was before we had this correction, and I didn't expect to have such a quick correction, such a major correction in such a short term. So you can see here the dip was around 0.05 for Vechain, and now we are holding the 0.11 line. What we want to see, what we would love to see, is going above this here area, guys, 0.15 cents to 14 cents around there. But I will explain what might happen afterwards. Right now, let's see the MACD, and the MACD in the 4-hour frame. We are having lower lows and lower highs, not looking good, guys, for Vechain, for the short term that is. And of course, right now we want to just have a recross around here and to go upwards. We just want to go there. We had the correction. And of course, right now, let's go to Vechain against USDT in the 4-hour frame. But for the RSN, for the commodity channel index, we were having an oversold situation. But now, guys, we are looking to go lower and lower. So I don't think that we will be going and having such an price action for RSI, such an action for RSI going upwards, then going downwards, then going upwards again. We hope to see this, guys, but I don't think this is a possible scenario for the short term. We were having minus 100 commodity channel index, but I think the higher highs will be like this, then going down again, then going up, then going down. You can see minor corrections, major corrections, and minor pump ups. We will be having lower lows and lower highs. And of course, right now, let's go to the Vechain against USDT in the daily frame. You can see we are beyond minus 100, way beyond minus 100. Usually when this happens, guys, we expect it to go a little bit upwards. Okay, we expect it to hit some higher here levels for the commodity channel index. Right now, we might see Vechain going a little bit upwards, have swing highs, but in overall, I don't know if we will be making the higher lows we need in order to climb up. Same here for the RSI, sorry guys, same here for the RSI. We are inside 30 and 70. You can see according to the RSI we can drop a little bit more, and of course right now we are experiencing the lower low situation I was talking about, that we don't want to see in the daily frame for Vechain. Let's go to the Bollinger Bands right now, and you can see that we are overextended from the bottom line. This means usually, guys, we are having a buying opportunity, but right now, according to the market, according to the fear in the market, I don't think that we are having a clear buying opportunity for the short term. That is, let's see the Vechain again. For MACD, we are going down and down. We want to see a recross here. If we want to make a major move, we have to do something like this, crossing here, and of course going upwards. Okay, we need to go upwards, but of course, guys, right now things aren't looking good for the short term. But okay, let's see for the mid long term that I believe Vechain will perform great and all tables will turn, because this bull run, guys, isn't over yet. This bull run isn't over yet. So right now, what we want to see, we want Vechain to go and retest the 0.50331 for Vechain against Bitcoin. Right now it is underperforming against Bitcoin because the 20-day EMA is beyond the 50-day EMA. And you can see here in the chart that for the short term we went even down from the 200 EMA. So right now Vechain underperforms, and of course we might see further correction if Bitcoin has more of a correction. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame though, guys, until we see a bearish cross, we are absolutely fine. Vechain against Bitcoin, the daily, mid, long term is looking good. We just want to see a higher high and higher low for Bitcoin as well in order to maintain our position. I will go quickly to the price analysis because I don't want to mess with you around, guys. And look at that. I told you yesterday that we might approach 10 cents. We approached the 0.05. And of course, now we closed above the 10 cents. We closed above here on 20th May the 10 cents, we are in the 4-hour frame on the trading view. And now what we want to see is making the 11 cents as a support line, and eventually we want to retest first of all the 12 cents and close above the 12 and 13 cents, and then maybe we can do something like this for the 15 cents. But that's if Bitcoin doesn't correct for the daily frame, because you can see here huge bearish candles right here, guys, huge bearish candles. I don't know if we are experiencing a bottom yet, because the bull run isn't over, guys. The bull run isn't over. The manipulation yesterday was very high, but of course we all the way knew that we were approaching a top, and therefore we would go down. Okay, so we're approaching the top because the line was getting more horizontal. The MACD on the weekly frame was bearish for Bitcoin, and of course we had the bearish cross here around with the 50-day EMA and the 20-day EMA, and of course right now we are going downwards. But what we want to see for Bitcoin is maybe a swing high, and of course I don't know if we can make higher highs and higher lows, but guys, I believe that this bull cycle is not over yet, of course. But for the short term we have to be careful. For the mid long term, guys, this might be a great area of buying, okay, of buying opportunity for Vechain, because for the mid long term this bull run isn't over. However, we have some very bearish signs for the short term, and we might even, if Bitcoin corrects more, we might even test the 10 cents again, and we might go even lower. So I want you to be careful for the short term, guys, very careful. Don't buy if we do something like this, and of course we tested 15 cents. That doesn't mean we are going upwards, okay? It means that we are doing good, but we need to see Bitcoin having higher lows and higher highs. I'm always telling that on the daily frame, as you can see, we have big bearish candles, and we expect to have a daily good candle. But of course right now what we might have is a further correction. So I want you to be really careful, because the manipulation here is high, the fear on the market is very high. But guys, I want you to stay patient, relax a bit, don't overwatch your portfolio, because for the mid long term we are not finished. The bull cycle, the bull run is still here. We haven't approached our top yet for Bitcoin, yet for many other altcoins it is the same. For Vechain though, for the short term, I want you to be a little bit careful, because I believe we will be going downwards, and we might retest the 19 cents. So yes, for the short term we might do something like this and then go downwards, even if Bitcoin corrects even more, guys. If Bitcoin has lower lows for the daily frame and retests the 29,000 USDT, 30,000 USDT, around there, if Bitcoin does that, then Vechain might drop further down from 9 cents. So right here it is very crucial, guys, to just be patient, hold your portfolio. For those who are at the top, do not worry at all, guys, do not worry at all. This bull cycle is not over. Thanks for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are, and of course stay tuned for many more videos, guys. I know these days were difficult for you, but better days are coming for sure. Put up your smile and be prepared for better days. Thank you so much, have a fantastic day, see you all soon, bye.